Welcome to the Pig Portal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Pig Portal. Today, we're testing your knowledge of India's incredible national symbols. Are you ready for the challenge? Let's begin. What is the national river of India? What is the national aquatic animal of India? Which monument is India's national symbol of love? What is the national calendar of India? What is the national heritage animal of India? What is the national reptile of India? What is the national vegetable of India? Which is India's national microbe? What is India's national gemstone? What is the national festival of India? What is the national instrument of India? What is the national currency of India? What is the national river dolphin of India called? What is the national aquatic bird of India? What is the national tree fruit of India? What is the national literacy symbol of India? Which national festival is celebrated on 15th August? What is the national sweet of India? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.